QR codes, also known as quick response codes, carry important information that can only be decoded by QR scanners. The Samsung Galaxy series can read QR codes without installing any additional software. So, today I will show you 2 ways to scan QR code on your Samsung Galaxy device. Method 1. Use the dedicated Samsung QR code reader. Open the Quick Settings menu by swiping down from the top of the screen. Navigate to the last page to open the Scan QR code option. If the shortcut is not available, tap on the plus icon and add the option to the Quick Settings menu. Point the camera to a QR code. If you open the app from the lock screen, you will need to unlock the phone first. Select the desired option to interact with the QR code. Method 2. Use the Samsung Camera app to read QR codes. Open the Camera app. Point the smartphone to any QR code. Tap on Show Options. Select what to do with the QR code. That's it for this quick tutorial. What do you think about this trick on the One UI system?